Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we embark on exciting journeys around the world. Today I have something truly special for you. Get ready to explore the captivating history and breathtaking beauty of Europe, as we will take a look into the top 10 UNESCO World Heritage Sites on this beautiful continent. First on our list we have Mont Saint Michel, is a famous island located in France. It's a beautiful place that attracts many visitors from all over the world. The island is situated in the region of Normandy and is known for its stunning architecture and breathtaking views. Mont Saint Michel is a home to magnificent abbey, which is a large building where monks used to live and worship. The abbey is perched on the top of a rocky hill and can be reached by climbing many steps. From the top you can see the surrounding countryside and the sea, which is really amazing. The island itself is quite small and can be explored on foot. There are narrow streets and charming houses that add its unique charm. It's a great place to take a relaxing walk and soak into the atmosphere. One interesting thing about Mont Saint Michel is that it's surrounded by water during the high tide, but during low tide you can walk across the causeway to reach the island. This makes it even more special and adds to its magical appeal. Now let's hop to Greece. The rock formations in Meteora are gigantic and seem to rise up from the ground like pillars. These rocks are made of different layers of rock and have been shaped by wind and weather over thousands of years. They create a truly stunning and dramatic landscape. Perched on top of these towering rocks are several monasteries. These monasteries were built by monks in the 14th century as a place of seclusion and worship. They are accessed by climbing steep stairs or using nets and pulleys. The monasteries offer breathtaking views of the surrounding valleys and mountains. Visiting Meteora allows you to witness the harmony between nature and human architecture. The combination of the majestic rocks and the ancient monasteries is a sight to behold. Apart from the natural and architectural wonders, Meteora is also a great place for hiking and exploring. There are several trails that lead you through the beautiful landscapes and allow you to discover hidden gems. The city of Venice is built on a group of small islands in a lagoon. Instead of streets, Venice has canals that serve as its main transportation routes. These canals are spanned by beautiful bridges, and you can explore the city by taking a ride on a gondola, which is a traditional boat. One of the most iconic sites in Venice is St. Mark's Square, which is the main public square in the city. It is surrounded by stunning buildings, including St. Mark's Basilica, a magnificent cathedral known for its intricate mosaics. The square is a bustling hub of activity and a great place to relax and enjoy the atmosphere. Venice is also famous for its beautiful architecture. The buildings in Venice are mostly made of brick and are adorned with ornate details. The city is home to many historic palaces, churches, and museums that showcase its rich cultural heritage. Exploring the narrow winding streets of Venice is like stepping back in time. You can get lost in the maze-like alleys and discover charming squares, hidden courtyards, and quaint shops selling Venetian crafts and souvenirs. Venice is a city that truly embraces its water surroundings. The annual Venetian Carnival is a vibrant celebration of costumes and masks, and the Venice Biennale is a prestigious art exhibition that attracts artists from all over the world. Next up we have Hallstatt, a small village in Austria, located on the shores of Scenic Lake, surrounded by towering mountains. The village itself is known for its colorful houses, narrow streets, and its amazing charm. It's a perfect place to relax and enjoy the serene beauty of the alpine landscape. The village is also home to a beautiful church that dates back to the 12th century. The Hallstatt Skywalk, a viewing platform located high above the village, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and the lake, providing a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts. Outdoor fans will find plenty of activities to enjoy in Hallstatt, such as hiking, boating, and exploring the nearby caves. The pristine natural environment provides an ideal backdrop for outdoor adventures. The Old Bridge of Mostar, located in Bosnia and Herzegovina, is a significant historical landmark and an architectural marvel. It stands as a symbol of unity and resilience, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the region. Tragically, during the Bosnian War in 1990s, the old bridge was destroyed. However, with the immense determination and international support, it was painstakingly reconstructed using traditional techniques and original materials. The reconstruction was a symbol of hope, reconciliation, and the preservation of cultural heritage. Today, Old Bridge stands proudly as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing visitors from around the world, and has become an iconic symbol of Mostar, attracting tourists with its beauty, historical significance, and the breathtaking views it offers of the turquoise waters of the Neretva River. Dubrovnik. The old town of Dubrovnik is the UNESCO World Heritage Site and is brimming with historical and cultural treasures. Its limestone paved streets are lined with the elegant palaces, churches, and monasteries. The highlight of the old town is the Stradon, a vibrant pedestrian thoroughfare with charming cafes, shops, and lively street performers. Dubrovnik is also known for its rich maritime history. The city was once a powerful seafaring republic and played a significant role in trade and diplomacy. The Maritime Museum in Dubrovnik showcases this maritime heritage, displaying artifacts, ship models, and historical documents. For fans of the popular TV series Game of Thrones, Dubrovnik will feel like a familiar setting, as it served as the filming location for King's Landing. Visitors can take guided tours to explore the filming sites and relive scenes from the show. Beyond its historical and cultural treasures, Dubrovnik offers breathtaking beaches and crystal clear waters. Visitors can indulge in swimming, snorkeling, or simply sunbathe along the beautiful coastline. Our next stop takes us to Vatican City, an independent state located within Rome, Italy. It is the smallest internationally recognized independent state in the world, both in terms of area and population. Vatican City holds great significance as the spiritual and administrative headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church and the residence of the Pope. Despite its small size, Vatican City operates as an independent state with its own government, post office, and even its own currency, the Vatican lira. It upholds its sovereignty through diplomatic relations with other countries and plays an influential role in international affairs, particularly in matters related to religion and human rights. Vatican City is a place of immense cultural, historical, and spiritual significance, attracting visitors from all corners of the globe. It stands as a symbol of enduring legacy of the Catholic Church and serves as a beacon of faith and artistry for people around the world. The Cultural Landscape of Sintra, located in Portugal, is a remarkable and enchanting destination. It is a place where natural beauty blends harmoniously with historical treasures. Sintra is known for its rich forests, rolling hills, and stunning palaces. The region of Sintra is blessed with a unique microclimate. Hills are dotted with extravagant palaces, such as the Pena Palace, with its vibrant colors and intricate designs. These palaces were once summer retreats for Portuguese royalty and are now open for visitors to explore. In addition to the palaces, Sintra is also home to the medieval castle of the Moors, which offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Its ancient walls and towers speak of a bygone era and invite visitors to step back in time. Sintra's historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring narrow cobbled streets, charming houses, and traditional shops. The National Palace of Sintra, with its iconic twin chimneys, stands as a centerpiece in the town. Inside, visitors can admire its beautiful Manuelian architecture and stunning tilework. Thingvellir is located in a rift valley where the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates meet. This unique geological setting has resulted in a dramatic rock formation, gorges, and the iconic Almanagio. Visitors can witness the visible evidence of the plates drifting apart, making it a popular destination for geologists and nature enthusiasts. Thingvellir National Park offers numerous hiking trails, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the stunning scenery and discover hidden gems along the way. The park is also a popular spot for camping, fishing, and birdwatching, with various species of birds making their home in the area. Last but not least, let's head to Italy. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Dolomites offer a wide range of activities throughout the year. During the warmer months, hiking and trekking trails wind through lush meadows, alpine forests, and crystal-clear lakes. The Dolomites are renowned for their scenic routes, such as the famous Alta Via trails, which offer breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, the Dolomites provide opportunities for rock climbing, mountaineering, and Via Ferrata routes. Via Ferrata, which means iron path in Italian, involves climbing secured routes with the help of fixed cables, ladders, and bridges, allowing adventurers to safely explore vertical cliffs and enjoy panoramic views. In the winter, the Dolomites transform into a winter sports paradise. The region boasts numerous ski resorts including Cortina d'Ampezzo and Val Gardena, where visitors can indulge in skiing, snowboarding, and cross-country skiing. The Dolomites Superski area offers an extensive network of slopes and trails, catering to all skills levels. And there we are, on a very small part of amazing UNESCO places in Europe. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video and want more travel content, please hit that subscribe button. Take care and goodbye.